we invite you to visit LUMI's website. You'll find a user-friendly design that quickly helps you find the products and information you'll need. First, simply mouse over the word Products found at the top of the navigation bar. This will produce a drop-down list of all the products LUMI offers, organized by market and product type. Best of all, there are 2 accesses available to get into the new arrival page quickly and easily. After getting into the detailed page, filters along the left side of the page will help you drill down to find the exact product you need. For example, if you're looking for a specific type of TV mount, these filters will allow you to search by screen size, vis patterns, weight capacity, and more. You can also add additional keywords to further refine your search to reduce results. LUMI's website gives you control over how you want information displayed. Select one of the 3 viewing modes, including by series, by specifications, or in grid view with just pictures, which is helpful to visually see products on a single page. Products can be sorted by release date or by model number in alphabetical order, which also helps to quickly find the product you are looking for. For information enthusiasts, there's a complete index available listing all the products LUMI offers. It's an easy-to-use resource that can be used as a product dictionary or roadmap. Want to do a more general search? You'll find a search bar at the top of the home page. Here you can search within all the resources that LUMI offers, including products, brochures, and videos, even blog entries. Simply type the model number or keywords into the search bar and press Enter. Resources matching your search terms will drop down, allowing you to select for further information. Additional features are available along the bottom of the page, including a duty calculator, product comparison, and the ability to send LUMI an inquiry. LUMI also provides a page for resources that you can download, including catalogs, brochures, and videos. Access to these materials is simple and easy. Contact us for details. Best of all, no matter if you are surfing from your laptop or smartphone, the LUMI website is ready to work for you. Well, that's it. Thanks for watching and visit LUMI today.